guys, and welcome back to another video. It's your girl, aka Diddy, or you guys could just call me Diddy. In this video, I'm gonna do another eyebrow tutorial. So right here, I'm just gonna clean up my eyebrows. I'm gonna take any excess hair that's around my eyebrows that's just messing up the shape. I have not gotten my eyebrows waxed in almost a year and some change now, and I've just been tweezing my eyebrows and just shaping them up using the little razor that I have. But here's the look that I usually go for. A simple shape. I like the arch in my eyebrows, so when I pencil them in, I just darken them up. So these are the products that I'm going to use in this video. I have the Eyebrow Kit from e.l.f. and then I'm going to use a pencil on the other eyebrow from LA Girl. So you can see the color here. I'm pretty sure that one was medium brown and this one was neutral brown for the pencil. The pencil is LA Girl, that's the brand, and I got it from Dollar Tree, so you know it was $1. So let me get started on my eyebrows. I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, so I'm not gonna lie, I was struggling with that e.l.f. gel. It was not coming out how I wanted it to come out. I think it's because it was a little old. So now I have my concealer that I'm just gonna apply around my eyebrows, and the color is Honey. I also got it from LA Girl. Wasn't $1 though, but let me apply this to around my eyebrows so I can clean it up to give it a more smoother look. Alright, I don't know, can you see the difference between before and after? Alright, so now I'm just going to use mascara. I've seen a girl do it in a video and I was like, oh, it's not bad. You use the mascara in the front hairs to push them up and make them a little more defined. So you just add a little bit, try not to get the mascara on your skin. So do it slowly and as far away as you can. Alright, all done on that one eyebrow. Now it's time for the pencil. No. So when I usually do the pencils, I start on the bottom and I just do an outline of the shape that I want. Then I go to the top and do the same thing. Then when I'm done with the top, I just pencil it in, but I don't color it in. I don't do hard strokes. I do it like it's a piece of hair that I'm putting on my eyebrow. So it's like I'm slowly doing an up motion of a piece of hair. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm almost finished with this one eyebrow, and these are the finished two looks. Left side is a gel kit, right side is a pencil. Let me know which one you like better. Comment, like, and subscribe, and thanks again for watching. Bye guys.